So people, I will show you how to cornrow hair. If you are new to the world of cornrow, this is pretty easy. So the first thing to do is to part the hair to the size that you want. Even if your hand is not so perfect, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is your cornrow is okay. This is the beginning to, achieving a beautiful cornrow hairstyle. So I'm going to section the hair. So this is okay. I'm going to cornrow this as 1, and then I'll cornrow these remaining ones as 2. So the next thing to do is I'm going to use this to secure this side in order for it not to disturb me when I'm cornrolling here. And next I'll comb out, and next I will detangle the hair. So gently comb the hair in order not to break the hair. So this is okay. I have detangled especially the tip of the hair. Next is to start cornrolling. So let me make it. So next is to start cornrolling. I will show you how to achieve a beautiful cornrow. So this very beginning, section it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Start gripping the hair. The more you cornroll, the more you pick the hair. The more you cornroll, the more you pick the hair. This is how to achieve a beautiful natural cornrow. So as I proceed, I grip the hair, I grip more hair, and make sure you don't grip it so tight. Gripping the hair tight will only break the hair instead of growing the hair. But then grip it firmly but not tight. So this is how to get a beautiful natural cornrow hairstyle. So we are almost done with this part. I'm going to braid the tip of the hair, and this cornrow is as good as done. Next I will section. Next I will part this other one again. So I'll be cornrolling this too. As a beginner, even if your line is not so perfect, just do your best to get a little bit straight line, even though it's not so perfect. The most important thing is just to have a neat cornrow. So next I will use this to hold this part of the hair, brush out the hair, detangle the hair, comb out the hair, whatever you want to do to make the hair easy to grip. The most important thing is just be careful the way you comb or brush the hair. So now it's time to cornroll the hair. If you watch my hands closely, you will see how I cornroll the hair. This is how I achieve a beautiful, neat cornrow hairstyle. And the beautiful thing about cornrow is the more you do, the more you practice, the better you become, And the beautiful thing about cornrow is the more you practice, the better you become. So if you have any available hair to practice with, just keep practicing. It takes, just keep practicing. It doesn't take so much time, just a little time. I tell you, you will definitely know how to cornrow hair. Are you okay? Okay friends, so next we are going to cornrow this side of the hair. Okay. If you watch my hand carefully, you will see how I grip the hair, how to cornrow hair, how to achieve a beautiful cornrow. I just love natural cornrow hairstyle. I mean, it's easy to make. It doesn't really break the hair because you're not adding extension. It's just easy to make, very beautiful at the end of the day. So friends, here is our beautiful cornrow hairstyle. Please like this video, share this video, leave me a beautiful comment, subscribe if you are yet to do that, and I'll see you in my next video. So friends, here is our beautiful cornrow.